Here's for the Karl PA 200. Here's the main system. Over here, starting off right here is your on and off emo switch. Then you have your platen lift. You can tell by over here, I can raise and lower, and you can see the dial moving. You got your microscope here. I don't know if you can go inside there. You can see in there. No, probably not. Okay. You got two objectives here. You got a 20 times and a 10 times. And up top, we have a light source here. Over here, we have, of course, your monitor, your joystick control, and your temperature chuck controller. And then you have your power box for your motion controllers down here. Got an indicator light that tells it on and off. It's just basically flipping a switch on and hitting the push buttons. And then over here we have the computer. Alright, I'm going to show you how to use it with the joystick. As you can see, I can move over, and you can see the chuck over here moving. I'll put it on index. You can see it just moves over to whatever I have it set up for on the index part. I also have to show you also up here. See, I'll do view and positioning. I see the position bars, and you can see, like, if I look at the Z, I'll raise the Z up, and you can see the indicators by there showing that it's moving. Clockwise and counterclockwise. If you look at the chuck again, I'm going to try to move it clockwise and then counterclockwise. And then I'll go to the scope, the microscope side up here, and as you can see that the microscope itself is moving over. It's over to the left, to the right, and I'll move it forward and backwards. The only things that aren't is you don't have a motorized objective on here. This is all manual. And the platen lift is not. That's all manual too on here. That's it. The chuck's set at 40 degrees right now. I'm going to change it to a higher setting. We'll do it at 80. And then you can just see it rising up there. You can tell that. This is not a cooled chuck. It's just really basically heated. If you wanted to cool it, you have to hook it up to a chiller, and it actually has a solenoid valve in here that will shut it off for you to control the cold part of the chuck. But as you can see right now, it's raising up the temp. It was regulating at 40 degrees, so works perfectly fine.